APN Property Group is a specialist real estate investment manager. We manage commercial property investments on behalf of retail and institutional investors across Australia. The company has been in operation since 1996, so this year's our 20th anniversary. So December 2015 half-year results were our best results for a number of years. We reported a record net profit after tax of just over $15.9 million for the half, which on a per share basis is about 5.4 cents per share. At an operating level, our operating earnings after tax per share were 2.4 cents, and the company had 33.5 cents of NTA per share at the balance date. We also generated 11.8% growth in our assets under management for the year to December. So we finished the year with $2.38 billion of funds under management. So our dividend for the half year was 1.25 cents. We generally pay a slightly higher dividend in the first half of the year. So our full year dividend should be 1.5 cents per year fully franked, which is in line with last year, but it's up about 25% over financial year 2014. Our real estate securities business had another strong half year. Our flagship APN A-REIT fund was ahead of its benchmark for its 12-month performance, and is now over 300 basis points ahead of its index since its inception in 2009. In the period, it also had continuing strong inflows, so we saw over $70 million worth of net inflows in the period, and the fund exceeded $1 billion for the first time. Industrial REIT and Generation Healthcare each had strong halves. Generation reported outperformance versus the index of over 19% relative to the A-REIT index in the half. And Industrial also reported a number of significant leasing and property management outcomes, which was great to see. Our direct business has also had a strong period. We had successful sales with our newest fund, the Stellar Residential Fund, and we also managed to acquire about $40 million of assets for our latest fund, which is the APN Convenience Retail Fund, which we should be launching soon. Well, look, it'd be great in terms of the future if in 12 months' time we can continue to see growth of sort of 10 to 20% across the business in terms of its size. We think that'll mean we're continuing to grow our earnings for shareholders, but I guess most importantly, we also hope that we'd be able to continue to deliver the same investment performance for our clients.